Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic. Today I'll be talking in this video about the healthy foods and why healthy foods are really kind of necessity and what are healthy foods and what healthy foods can really do to our body when we take it, because there is so much of diet correction. If you just correct your diet, then you're salt out. There is no need of getting or taking medications, because some diseases are there where they will be treated with just changing the lifestyle of the person. So I think that the diet plays almost 50% very important in the treatment, and even without medication, if you just correct your lifestyle like diet and regimen, you will be able to really solve out all your kind of healthy kind of thing. So what are the healthy foods which should be taken and why it is necessary? Healthy foods are, of course, the first thing is green leafy vegetables, and the vegetables which are really kind of good for digestion is important, like cucumber every day, carrot every day, and also some people take the curd, and some people take it in a buttermilk kind of thing. Of course, it's very essential because it helps the digestion to go very smoothly, and it is also helpful in reducing the acidity. So nowadays everyone is facing acidity because of the chemicals in the food, or not hygienic or fried items, or due to unsaturated oils, or due to eating so much of junk foods, or not eating homely food, taking the meal from every day from the outside. Of course they add the soya sauce or the vinegar. Of course it's very much harmful for the stomach. Even the coloring agent is not good for the stomach. So it's better for you guys to neutralize. Of course it's not a permanent cure, but at least the effect will be little bit lesser. Okay, that was about the vegetables. Of course, if you involve the cooked vegetables in your diet, it will be very much useful, because than the raw vegetables, cooked vegetables are better. Some people who are really into the salads or vegetable kind of thing, diet kind of thing, what they do is they take 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of other vegetables which will be really easily available, and they put everything in the cooker, and they take out 2 whistles with a little bit of salt and water. After that they eat it with their rice or dal or chapati, some kind of thing. It will be really helpful, because if you does not involve any kind of masala, something like that, if you take it only with the salt or boiled, it will be very much kind of good. Talking on to the seeds, of course every seed is an portion of protein, because if you're taking the protein powder, it's not working out for you, or it's giving you some kind of side effects, or you're not kind of getting any benefit from that, you can just go for the seeds, because every seeds has its own importance. And daily one seed you can take, like dal. There are different types of dal, and there is moong dal also as a snack you can take, or chole also you can take as a snack, and green peas also you can take. Any kind of seeds are going to really be helpful for you guys in your diet. So when you ask a doctor what I should be doing if I does not want to take the medicines and I really want to keep my body healthy, I should be healthy, the doctor says that you should control your eating habits. That is the main thing, because if you control your eating habits, of course everything in your life will be controlled. The person who has an control over his eating habits has control over everything. That is the doctors who say to everyone, and even to my patients I always advise them that take anything which is minimum, not too much of masala, not too much of spicy, not too much of um, outside food, not too much of cold or refrigerated food, because freshly cooked foods are very um important, and it's really a best thing, because refrigerating the foods is not good actually. Some people, what they do is they cook and they keep it for 3 days and after that they eat it. Of course it's not going to be a very healthy diet also. Then moving on to the fruits, of course apple is there, kiwi is there, banana, at least you can take one banana after the meal, or orange, because orange is very necessary nowadays. Amla also you can take in between as a snack, and you can also take orange, grapes, if you are into blueberries, guava, and pomegranate, who mainly females can take pomegranate. uh, as per my observation, means the if female is asking about any kind of diet plan for me, I request her that she should involve this one bowl at least once a day. What I preferably say is beetroot, carrot, cucumber. Beans, if she is interested, she can take, and tomato with broccoli, or without broccoli also she can go with. She can just take it with a pinch of pink salt or normal salt, or any if she is not interested adding the salt, it's okay. She can take it even the raw way or even the cooked way. For me, what I eat is the raw way is better for me than the cooked way. Of course some people does not like the beetroot cut given like that, so they just ask me. I say that if you're cutting out the beetroot from that bowl, at least go make a juice of it. You can drink it by making a beetroot juice uh, after the meal, after 1 hour or 2 hour. Actually empty stomach is preferable, but some people cannot do it early morning or in the empty stomach. So I say that, oh, it's okay, whatever the time may be there, but you should be taking that, because it gives us so much of things. It gives us amino acid, it gives us folic acid, omega 3, and our hemoglobin level also increases, and vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, everything is inside in that bowl. So if you take that, it's very preferable. And moving on to the dry fruits, what are dry fruits you can add on in your diet? It's according to you. Soak the almonds overnight, get up in the morning, remove the um layer of the almonds, and you can have it. Cashew nut also you can have it, grapes, dry grapes, and you can also take the walnut, one walnut a day. You can also go with the lotus. If you're having any kind of calcium deficiency, you can go with that, like this. And some people ask, can I soak the methi seeds and drink it in the morning? Of course it's also helpful. I'd seen for the glow of the skin or the good quality of the air, you can just do it. I also have one remedy for hair kind of thing, which I'll be sharing it now or in the next video. Okay, I'll share it because it just, no, better not this time. I'll be doing an again a video about hair fall and graying of hair. That time I'll be saying that there is a very detailed thing how you should be using that and everything, involving onion, ginger, garlic in your diet is very essential, because it has so much of anti means it boosts your immune system, because there are so much of virus nowadays. Does not know which virus we had been exposed, which is been exposed, which is not been exposed. So to fight, to be immunized, you need that one. So this is all about the food and the diet which you should be going through. I'll be sharing some of the diet thing. If you're having the following list of diseases or list of symptom, you can just follow with that, or you can just go with that. It is my observation which I say to my patients. So if you're having gargling in your stomach or gas or intestinal inflammation, then you can go with take ajwain with dry ginger, and you can add water in that, and you can also take off a lemon on that. It is a lemon water with ajwain and dry ginger little bit. You can just take it. There is no specific time that you should be taking in the morning, afternoon or night, any time, but it should not be taken every time. When you feel that kind of gas accumulation, bloating, or something which is problem, that time you can also take. Another remedy for that is like acidity and you're unable to digest something, you can just take the jeera, uh, 1-2 tablespoon of jeera in 1 glass of water. Boil till it comes to 1 glass of water. Add 1 spoon of ghee on that, desi ghee or any kind of ghee which is available with you. Add 1 tablespoon, and you can just take it as a green tea, means sip by sip, at least when it is warm. It is very good, because I had seen personally the result. I also advise the patient of mine to take it. This all medicines or this all thing is not regular. Just do it when you have that problem, and you can just stop it after 3 to 4 days. Frequent joint or knee pain, it also indicates an calcium deficiency, so you should be eating calcium related foods. Sorry, I have little bit of voice thing. And if you have low blood, means hemoglobin, or you're suffering with the anemia, or any kind of breathlessness you're facing when you climb the stairs or something, or if you're facing any kind of weakness kind of thing, you can just take beetroot every day, or pomegranate, or jaggery, or sugarcane juice, or dry coconut, and this other thing which you can really go with, or palak, or palak with egg bhurji, like that kind of thing. And when there is an craving for the excess craving for the sweets, the habit is due to thyroid imbalance, then you can just kind of go with the thyroid check like that, because some people will be saying, I was not having this much of craving for the sweets all the time, but nowadays I am really kind of feeling it. So to reduce the hungriness for the sweet, you can just go with eat jaggery or amla kind of amla fruit, then it will be reduced. So this is all about that. And some kind of thing, means if you are having high cholesterol, you can go with garlic lemon tea. Take 1 tablespoon of garlic with 1 tablespoon of lemon, make it as juice by adding water, and take it, that's all. And if you have low immunity, or if you are exposed to cold very frequently, then you can take with tulsi tea, because it is having it can boost up your immune system. If you're having diabetes, if you're looking for any kind of drink which will be going well with the diabetes, then it is the methi and the neem tea. That is, boil 1 tablespoon of methi seeds with little bit, means 5 to 6 neem leaves in 1 glass of water. Boil it and you can just take it up. It is also going to regulate your diabetes. If you are having any kind of periods cramp, then you are looking for some drink, you can just take 1 cup of warm milk in a pinch of turmeric. In that, you can just take that, or 1 tablespoon of jaggery also you can take, or you can just go with chocolates or warm water, like that. And if you're having migraine, what is the migraine tea? Migraine tea is coriander tree. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds to a glass of water. Boil it well and sip it when it is warmed only. It is also going to give relief from the migraine. And if you are having any kind of issues and you want to know the home remedies or the homeopathic remedies about that kind of diseases, you can just comment on the comment section. I'll be helping out. I am an homeopathic practitioner who is practicing homeopathy from 5 years, and I had seen so much of patients in my clinic who really request me for an home remedies, because nowadays everyone does not want to take the medicine. They always wants to correct it in their diet or in their home only, because taking the medicine is also not good for the body, because anything which is more, of course, it's not going to be good. So everyone wants that kind of suggestion. So I thought that in this video I'll be doing an food related topic. Of course, I am new to the YouTube, but still I'm trying my best to convey what the knowledge which I am having with all you guys, because it will be helpful for so many people, because so many people will be looking for an suggestion or for the information available. So I thought that this video was helpful for you guys. If you really feel that this video was helpful, and if you want me to be posting the videos which are really related to this kind of topic, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of talk, you can just comment on the comment section. Thank you so much. Please forgive me if I had done any kind of mistake or forgotten something. Please do have a wonderful life. Thank you.